Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We've got a very nice Euro cylinder here today. It's been a while actually since I've picked a challenge like Euro cylinder. It's called Snake Bite and it's pinned by Monkey Lockpicks on the 5th of the 5th, 2017. Very cool. I've had this for a little bit, but hopefully we can get it picked today. But before we start, as usual, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. Also, you'll find me on Discord, on Lock Sport Community. Please check us out there, and at UK Lockpickers. If you like what you see on my channel, please hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week, from challenge locks, from wicked locks to lock tutorials, all types of stuff really. Also, come and join us on Discord. We've got we've got a pin making competition starting in a couple of weeks. We're just getting it all organised now and getting some good fun on there. And we're thinking of something, of a prize or something maybe. But it's going to be it's instead of a cook off, it's a pin off. So it's just making your best possible pins and showing them off. It starts in a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks I think. We're just organising it at the moment, all of us, deciding who's going to be judges and who's going to get involved and everything. But if you want to join and you can't find it, if you send me an email to leonslockpad@gmail.com, I will send you a link straight away to the Discord chat and you'll be right there. And but come check us out. Good bit of fun. Now let's see if we can get this picked. I'm going to use a very beautiful dazzled hook that he made me. I've got a couple of Dazzlers picks, but this one is the handle on this is awesome. And do you know what? Even though Daz knows I'm left-handed, there's the knot. You can see the little knot. Daz calls it a little imperfection, but he kept it on the left-hand side so it doesn't get seen while picking. Now, how thoughtful is that? Right, this camera set up. Hopefully we can get this picked. Use a homemade tension wrench window wiper insert. It's got really nice spring to it. This it flicks when you get a click. It clicks and it runs through the end of your thumb like a little snap, and it does a really good feedback off this. Oh, we got a little click off too. As soon as I put it, click on one. Click on 3. A little bit, click on 4. I'll just raise this up a tiny bit. There we go. That was a click on 5. A little bit of a false set. There's another click on 5. We've got new guys as well that joined the Discord chat. Strommy 90's on there now. Pickaholics on there. Bronx Lockpicking 60's on there. Dark Arts Lockpicking. Don's Locks. Me. Ryan McCreary. If I haven't mentioned you, please do apologise. It's hard to remember everybody's names. I think we've got a bit of a reset on that. bit of counter then. Oh, I'm roping. There we go. Nice. Now, for once, that was my first pick. Let's... Oh, there we go. Let's get that. So check out that bit in. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let me lock it back up. See how it works. Oh, nice and smooth. A tiny little bit of hang up, but not too much. Oh, we've got thingies in the top as well. Nearly dropped my glasses. What have I done with them? I can't find them. Right, let's do it the old-fashioned way. Let's get the clip off the back. There we go, we're off. We're all stuck underneath. It was a piece of tape. Then what we'll do is we'll try and go for a shim. Just pause 1 second. Right. We are sorted. Shimmed it to the point. Aha. There we go. Got you. Just that one. Let's remove that. 1 second. Everything's jumping around on me. So I had to do some rearranging then because we lost a pin. I got it back though. Right, so let's have a look what we've got in here. That's been that chamber as well. It's been cut quite wide. Oh, look at that. That is very nice work on them keypins. They're absolutely awesome, them. And don't forget to please check out Monkey Lockpicks channel. I'm going to try and leave a description or get it up on a link. There's the one driver and there's the spring. So we could do it properly. There we go. See this little bugger out? Very nice driver. The spring doesn't want to play. There we go. A little busted at the bottom, not too much. Number 3, don't want to make him jump out too. There we go, he's a long one. Oh, that's very nice. The spring. Another nice driver, excellent work. The spring's trying to run off. That is very cool. Right, so let's have a look. I've got one last spring. There we go. That was awesome work. We've got some threading in chamber in the barrel. So in 2, in 3, nothing in 1, nothing in 2, something in 4, and 5. As you can see, the plugs have all been removed and got grub screws in. We've got threading in, we've got undercutting in 1. Standard in 2, we've got undercut, we've got threading in 3, standard in 4, and in 5 we've got threading and undercut as well. Very cool. Awesome lot, my friend. Look at these pins. Well, these pins are a work of art, these. Now, copper spring with, brass spring with a very nice driver, nice serrations, a little spool to catch you out. And then we've got one that's actually like a barrel pin. We've got a little T-piece on either end, and then we've got it drops down into a serration, and then like into a barrel. Very cool. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got a very nice driver with 5 serrations on it, fairly deep, sharp, very nice. And then we've got, it's a T-pin, Christmas tree style. Then I'm going to catch you out. And then we've got this mad driver. It looks mint, looks like a little person. Or something you'd use in a board game. That is excellent. That's very, very, very cool. And key pins. Now this key pin, very sharp serration, a little bit of a T-pin at the end, and it turns into a spool. And then we've got this key pin, which is it's got like a bit of a T-pin on the end, and then it goes into a spool, widens off like a mushroom, and then down again. That's absolute awesome work. And we've got a serrated key pin, and then we've got a spooled key pin, and another serrated key pin in number 5. Absolute awesome work, Monkey Lockpicks, my friend. Absolute great lock. Really enjoyed that. That's getting packed away. That's going off to my last parcel at the moment. On a few problems at the moment, so parcels are going to be very rare at the moment. I do apologise. I've got 2 that are going out anyway, no matter what. Foxy and Potties, yours are all practically sorted. There, and then I've got a few things to sort out. Then hopefully I'll get back to the normal routine of getting parcels out a little bit quicker. I do apologise. Great lock, Monkey Lockpicks. I will certainly pass this on. As you can see his name right there. Blue, and please check out his channel. Awesome guy. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.